In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix HubSpot not letting me log in. First, we need to reset your password. On the login page, look for a link that says Forgot My Password. This is a simple yet crucial step. By clicking this link, you initiate the process to regain access to your account. After selecting the link, you will be prompted to enter your HubSpot email. Make sure to input the email associated with your account. This email acts as your identification, ensuring that the password reset request is legitimate. Once you enter your email, check your inbox for the password reset email. It should arrive shortly. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. When you find the email, open it carefully. This email contains a secure link that will take you to the password creation page. Creating a strong new password is essential for your account's security. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This strategy helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've created your new password, be sure to save it securely. Now return to the HubSpot login page and try logging in again with your new password. If you still cannot log in, we may need to address possible browser issues. Start by opening HubSpot in Incognito or private mode. This mode runs a clean session without any of your usual extensions or cache data. This is important because sometimes browser extensions or corrupted cache can interfere with your login process. When you open the browser in this mode, you will see that it does not save any history or cookies. This creates a fresh environment for HubSpot to operate in. As you navigate to the HubSpot login page in incognito mode, enter your email and new password again. This step ensures that you are not encountering any issues from previous sessions. If this works, it indicates that the problem may have been caused by your browser settings or extensions. Remember, using incognito mode can also help you troubleshoot other issues in the future. It is a valuable tool to determine if the problem lies with your browser. If you still experience difficulties, you might consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This action can help resolve lingering issues that might affect website functionality. In summary, we have covered how to reset your password and how to use incognito mode for logging in. Each of these steps tackles common barriers that can prevent access to your HubSpot account. If you follow these instructions carefully, you should be able to resolve your login issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you log into your HubSpot account smoothly. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Your access to HubSpot is important, and resolving login issues is the first step to getting back on track.